I'm like Chip Oaks, man. I got this, yeah.